The Japan Fisheries Research and Education Agency is a public research institute whose goal is to ensure the sound development of Japan's fisheries industry and the steady supply of fishery products. With a history of more than 125 years, we promote specialized R&D, education, and human resource development in the fisheries sector, using our findings to provide maximum returns to society. In response to changes in the environment surrounding Japanese fisheries, we are continuously promoting reforms aimed at improving fishermen's incomes and establishing a workforce with a balanced age distribution, all while properly managing fishery resources. In order to promote research, as well as technological and human resource development in the fishing industry, our agency is comprised of 4 core organizations: the Fisheries Resources Institute, the Fisheries Technology Institute, the Marine Fisheries Research and Development Center, and the National Fisheries University. These are at the center of the agency's facilities throughout Japan. We also operate 7 research and 2 training vessels for ocean monitoring, developing technology, and conducting experiments and training. Two divisions within the Fisheries Resources Institute are the Fisheries Stock Assessment Center and the Salmon Research Department. The Fisheries Stock Assessment Center is mainly focused on the ecology and management of fishery resources from our food supply. It also conducts surveys on the marine environment and R&D to contribute to the proper management of fishery resources and measures to ensure growth of the fishing industry. The center conducts fishery resource assessments on over 200 species in Japan and abroad. The center conducts R&D to restore and keep fishery resources in a healthy state by utilizing data from fishing research vessel surveys and catches from fishing boats and markets. The Salmon Research Department conducts R&D on salmon and trout species and releases fish hatched through aquaculture to maintain populations. In recent years, Japan's salmon resources have remained at low levels. The primary cause is thought to be fluctuations in the marine environment. This department conducts R&D on adaptive release technology and implements advancements in technology for producing quality fish seeds or eggs and fry. Sustainable use of fishery resources is possible in the future if catches are properly managed by responding to changes in the marine environment. Proper fishery resource management requires a scientific approach that accounts for changes in the fishing industry. We will serve the public's needs to ensure a steady supply of delicious seafood. The Aquaculture Research Department and the Environment and Fisheries Applied Techniques Research Department at the Fisheries Technology Institute conduct research and develop technology to advance the fishery industry. The Aquaculture Research Department develops fish seed production technology for bluefin tuna and eel, which are strategic aquaculture products for Japan, and conducts research on yellowtail breeding. This department also develops new fish feed and researches fish diseases. So fish can propagate in a changing global environment, the Environment and Fisheries Applied Techniques Research Department engages in research on ecosystems in coastal and inland waters and creates new fishing grounds. Other research covers AI-driven fishing methods and seafood safety and processing. The department is also developing new technologies for a decarbonized society. The Fisheries Technology Institute aims to provide safe and reliable fishery products and establish a stable production base by conducting wide-ranging research to keep the fishing industry growing. This research covers advancements in aquaculture technology for important fish species, feed development, and breeding research. It also conducts research on coastal and inland water environments, production infrastructure engineering, and the use and processing of fishery products.
開発調査センター
To meet fishing industry needs, the Marine Fisheries Research and Development Center conducts field tests based on research results, from production to distribution and sales. The center's purpose is to give back to society based on these findings. For example, the international purse seine fishing industry, which mainly operates in the Midwestern Pacific Ocean, uses drones to search fishing grounds and AI to find schools of fish. In the offshore bonito fishing industry, we are mechanizing work by introducing automated fishing machines. We conduct research on the efficient use of fish, such as making delicious but unfamiliar fish available for consumption, and by developing fishing methods that respond to changes in that resource. We utilize ICT systems at set net fishing sites to connect production and distribution, and conduct demonstration research to effectively streamline operations. We are also developing new aquaculture production systems that increase the market value of yellowtail and other fish in order to strengthen international competitiveness in the aquaculture industry. This is how the Marine Fisheries Research and Development Center's wide-ranging work will promote stable management for fishing and aquaculture operators and the widespread use of research results in fisheries. The National Fisheries University is an institute of higher education specializing in fisheries. It provides academic knowledge and a technical education on fisheries and conducts basic research for the industry. By improving educational content according to challenges in the fishing industry and fisheries policies, the university is working daily to develop core human resources to accurately and effectively address problems at fishing sites. The Japan Fisheries Research and Education Agency is paving the way towards Japan's future as a major fisheries nation.
理事長の中山です。私たちは魚や貝や海藻などの水産資源を使っています。この資源をしっかり未来に届けます。
To that end, to obtain sustainable fisheries based on scientific data, we will advance R&D on fishery resources as well as aquatic ecosystems and production systems, and we will spur innovation in fisheries while upholding our traditions. We will apply diverse talents while creating a pleasant atmosphere with a shared sense of purpose and respect. As a highly specialized educational institution, we will develop future fisheries professionals. We will fulfill our responsibilities as proud professionals, demonstrate collective strength, and continue to earn trust from society and stakeholders.
これをビジョンステートメントとして国民の皆様にお約束いたします。
美味しい魚をいつまでも。